Hey guys, it's Courtney. Welcome back to another fantastic Friday. We hope you guys are having a good day. I'm with Sam today, and she is the lady who handles all of our sales as far as parts. So we're going to ask her a couple of questions today. So Sam, could you kind of just explain a little bit about what you do?
Yeah, I work with multiple distributors and can source parts for all your part needs.
What is some of the parts that we sell on the regular here, Sam?
We sell anything from motors to bearings, bushings, belts. We sell couplings. I sell PTOs for diesel motors for the aggregate fans.
So a lot of different
It is a
parts.
wide variety.
Do we typically sell stuff that's just regular stock, or do we do any kind of custom build?
We actually do build custom parts. If you have something for your industrial fan or your aggregate fan that you have the part or you have a drawing, we can actually build that to spec.
Awesome. That's pretty cool to know. So, one thing about Paul's Fan Company is we strive to have 100% on-time delivery. So, with that being said, typically if you call us, we can have that part out to you really quick. Do we keep a large stock of parts here, Sam?
We keep several parts in stock. That way we can quickly replace it and get your fan working again really fast.
Time is money, right?
That's right.
Yeah. So if I called in, Sam, and I needed a part, what's some information I would need to know before I call you?
I need to know how big the fan is, if it's 7 feet or 8 feet. On our aggregate fans, we have a tier 2 and a tier 4. And the tier 4 is a little bit newer, and I think it's a little more electronic. You can pretty much tell how it is.
Right.
But if people could tell me that, they actually have different motors in them. If you tell me how many horsepower the motor is, I can work with that if you're needing parts for a motor.
So basically, they just need to have some general information about the fan that they have.
Correct.
What they call. Okay. Well, thanks, Sam, for coming on and letting everybody put a face to the name when they call in, and have a good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks.